Hi guys, it is Ananda and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit more serious. I really just want to address and identify this worldwide or nationwide elephant in the room. And that is post-grad sadness or post-grad depression. College is really hard and no one talks about it. As you know, I'm graduating college very soon, literally in a month, and I'm afraid. And why am I afraid? Because I am so blessed and so honored to be an almost Spelman alumna. However, there's a lot of pressures that come with that. A lot of college pressures that no one talks about. I just feel like being at Spelman, you're expected to always have it figured out. And you're expected to always do the next big thing. And for the past couple of months, I've been really sad and honestly emotionally going through it because I'm afraid of this next step into my life. I'm afraid of going into adulthood. You know, I feel like college does give you somewhat of a safety net in an odd way, but being in college gives you a safety net. You're in adulthood, but you're not fully because you're in school. And when you graduate, you're expected to have it all figured out. I don't have it all figured out, and that's okay. I wanted to create this video because I know that I'm not alone. I've had so many, different conversations with different people in my age range, and it's not just at Spelman, it's in college in general. Especially being in the time of social media, no one talks about their failures. And I actually had to take a hiatus because no one, comparison is a thief of joy, and no one talks about their failures. No one posts what's not going on, or no one does anything like that. People always post what they have going on, and so life always looks perfect for everyone else, but it's not. And social media is just an illusion. I have plans, but I'm just afraid. I'm really afraid to go all out with my plans. And not only am I afraid, but I feel like I should have the next best thing going on. I feel like I should be going to Ivy League schools for graduation and masters and all of that and getting my PhD. I feel like I should be on that path. I feel like I should know what's next. But I don't. But all I can do is stay my path. That's it. The path that I'm supposed to be on. I know what path I'm supposed to be on. And all I can do is stay on that. And all I can do is ask myself, am I happy in life? My biggest goal, and this has always been my goal since before I got into Spelman and before I got into school in general, my goal was always to just make sure that in my adulthood I can make money, live comfortably, doing what I love and doing what I'm passionate about. And I'm passionate about making an impact on people, and I'm passionate about advocating for people who aren't heard, and I'm passionate about just being authentic in this illusioned society. All I can do, and all any of us can do, is just stay the path we feel like we're supposed to be on, even if we don't know all the way. We should still stay that path. Whatever path your heart tells you, and if your heart's not telling you anything, or if you feel like your heart isn't telling you anything, listen to it, because it is. But do different things and see what your heart likes the most, and that'll tell you what your purpose is if you don't know what your purpose is. Me, I do know what my purpose is, but it's scary. I look at myself and I think to myself at the same time, I'm only 21. Like, why am I expected, or why do I put pressure on myself from outside sources or even just from myself? Why is there that pressure that I should know exactly what I want right now? To whoever's watching this video, obviously you clicked on this video for a reason. I just wanted to let you know that you're not alone. You're not alone. And I feel very compelled to just say to stay your path. Stay your path because, you know, and not only stay your path, but be patient and focus on your journey. And I know that's easier said than done because, you know, I don't be doing that sometimes, but focus on your journey. And you can't look at what everyone else is doing because you don't know what's going on the other side of the camera. Like, you don't know what's going on. But stay on your journey and let life guide you. Obviously, I'm not saying go around and not have a plan or don't have goals or don't have any of those things. Like, have those things. But at the same time, like, allow life to happen for you. Everything that happens in life is for you and not to you. And I think that as long as we remember that, I know as long as I remember that, I know that I'll be okay. Discipline is really a form of self-love. Like, discipline is self-love. And that means getting better habits. And that's something that I honestly really struggle with, is discipline and just getting in a routine. New habits are working out in the morning. Like, even if it's the smallest workout, whatever workout feels good to me, as long as I do something from yoga to running 5 miles, like, just making sure that I have that time to myself in the betterment of my body. Eating better, like, you know, eating better, eating lighter. But also, like, you know, another new habit that I'm practicing is having compassion for myself and having compassion for this place in my life, in this state I am in my life. Always remember that life is not perfect. Life is not perfect. It'll never be perfect, but it's good. I hope that this video touched you in any way. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.